Have you ever read a book and seen the page that has the line, "This page intentionally left blank"? It always makes me chuckle. And I think that in our lives, we need to have those pages intentionally left blank. Many times I've found myself in a rat race, scurrying over myself, falling, tripping, just trying to keep the ball rolling. When sometimes it's better to protect the space that I have. Plan time to not do anything. Because naturally things will occur that will require overages of our time. And if we can only accomplish 100% in any given day, it's important to keep our energy levels to a point where we don't overload or become overwhelmed. When we get over 100% of our capacity, we begin to make poor decisions. When we stay under 100% of our capacity, we have time to think, we have time to stretch, we have time to rest. And many times it is in the resting that our subconscious can do the work of dealing with all the other stuff that's going on. Not only can we think better when we leave intentional white space in our lives, many times we're happier to be around and happier with ourselves when we leave that white space. If you don't have a page in your day that says, "This page intentionally left blank," I encourage you, where can you make the time? Carve it out, because it won't make itself.